Meow, 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 meow.
Can you say hi? Are you cute? Are you? Yeah, you are. Is Kai pretty? Very pretty, yeah. Are you a sweet boy? Oh.
What's happening right now, Anna? Thank you. I appreciate it.
Not tuna. No. Not every can that gets opened is tuna. Stop yelling at me. It's not tuna. It's corn and beans. It's not tuna. It's corn.
Excuse you!
Bink. Binky.
I like the performance.
Really? You look so cute.
Yeah, ooh.
Oh, I have that on tape.
You gonna talk about it? Huh? Yeah.
Good time, good time. I fed him the whole thing. He doesn't know how to eat it. Chutia. If I feed him, he's eating nicely. Look at him.
Say mama. Oh my god. Oh my god, you're saying mama.
That's your food. Chill out.
Hi. How are you?
I have to get up. I do. Yeah, and you got me up all night. You did. Look, Cookie, we're here. We're at the vet. You want to go inside? Are you serious? Come on.
Ждет, зай, ждет.
You sure don't like that cat.
Let down. I don't like cat.
Right? Even though you're the one who brought her to the bedroom last night and put her in bed with us.
Oh my god. Blue.
Where's Marvin? Where are you? Oh, there he is! Oh, hi, baby.
No. Why were you up at 5 o'clock biting my...
Look at that kitty.
Meow. Meow. Meow.
What did you just say?
Oh my god, he has a hot dog!
She's been trying to sit on this piece of paper that keeps sliding off my whiteboard because she. Excuse me. That's my. Excuse me. I need my referral so I can book the appointment. You can't.
Mama says no. I said no. Matt. Why'd you have to do that?
Matt?
I'm trying to give you more. You know I'm more? No.
No. No. No. No. Don't come up here and pop at me. I'm not popping at you. I'm saying no. No. Yeah.
You think I'm cute? Yes or no?
Marla. Bro. Marla. You're not getting food yet. No. You get it at 1 or 2. It's not even noon yet. No. TV.
Give her a kiss, Karen.
Crazy.
Sounds like barking, right? They can mimic that for hunting.
Put her down.
Lou. What are you?
Don't you raise your arm to me.
Say meow.
Чушь ты, фраеров.
Aw, he understands everything his owner's saying. Let us know if you have a similar one.
Oh, Okay.
Hi, Mary.
I've been calling for hours. Anyone here want to play with me?